To be honest, I like both of you.
To be honest, I didn't give a shit.
I want you to be honest with me.
To be honest, I'm just happy you got him to join in the game.
You were honest with your mother, and I want you to be honest with me.
I just wanted to be honest with you. I always want to be honest with you.
And to be honest with you, I hate the idea of Harry suffering unnecessarily.
I've never been a fan of the bush, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't mind it.
I gotta be honest with you. I'm a little nervous.
To be honest, I've never been so scared. But at least I have a husband.
But I have to be honest with you. What you did back there, that freaked me out.
You know how to get home?
To be honest with you, I'm not sure.
Can you hear me, Morpheus? I'm going to be honest with you.
Thank you. To be honest, I'm not much of a baseball fan. I'm just trying to get a feel for the city.
To be honest, I don't know what I would do with myself if I did.
Ultimate fighting?
Just a great idea off the top of my head.
To be honest, I expected more.
I always want you to be honest with me. No matter what. Just be brutally honest.
To be honest, I suppose for the moment, it would be just great if it could help me get a girlfriend.
Wow. Massive.